Hello investors, today we are talking about Ibadan. Ibadan, right? You're thinking, but let me tell you something. Ibadan is a place where history meets opportunity, a place where commerce, culture and community live side by side. Ibadan is fast becoming one of Nigeria's most connected and business-friendly cities. It is home to the University of Ibadan and Polytechnic, building young minds and nurturing future leaders. Yet, beyond the hustle, Ibadan offers peace and a space where family can thrive and businesses can grow. In this promising city lies an opportunity that you cannot miss. Adunni Estate in Ido Ibadan. I'm so excited to tell you about this place. Adunni Estate is a well-planned, secure and serene community in Ido Ibadan with affordable payment plans, flexible plot sizes, world-class infrastructure and a global certificate of occupancy. So you are not just getting just a land, you are getting a future. It is close to major landmarks like the Ibadan train station, University of Ibadan and the Elebu commercial district. With Adunni Estate, you can enjoy prolonged prices that are existing right now and also our 6 months interest-free payment plan. What are you waiting for? This is just the promising future that you have been looking for. So if you want to learn more about Adunni Estate in Ido Ibadan, just watch other videos on our YouTube channel to get more insights about this place. To book an inspection, call the numbers on your screen so you can reach us today. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can always get notified when we drop other videos of other amazing properties in Lagos and Ibadan. Bye.